Your aura is an electromagnetic field, constantly vibrating around your body. Aura is a term people casually toss around to mean glow or vibe. These definitions are only partly true, and they come nowhere near close to the complete and real understanding of aura. Your auric field is enormously complex. As one of your garments of light, it requires you to take good care of it. This electromagnetic vibrating field is balanced with the dual masculine and feminine energies of this universe. Electro is the principle of male dynamic energy drawing outward, while magneto is the principle of female mysterious energy drawing inward. Your auric field is very much connected to the brain and spinal cord. Your brain and the spinal cord attached to it form an electrical charging unit. This charging unit serves as a kind of engine that supplies electricity and magnetism to your auric field. It does all this in accord with the thoughts you think and emotions you feel. Your thoughts and emotions are lawgivers, and we'll discuss this law-giving aspect more a bit later on. The way your aura looks and feels matches with your thoughts, emotions, vibration, and your presentation of self. If you're a genuinely loving, magnanimous person, your auric field is certain to be beautiful. If you're nasty, your aura probably looks nasty too. The universal principle of like attracts like is in operation here. We want to always keep our auras thriving and beautiful for many reasons. We'll be pleasant to be around, and it contributes light wherever we go. Healthy auric fields support us to stay physically healthy. The cipher of energy exchange between the brain and spinal cord charging unit and the aura will increase us spiritually. Become a joyful, happy, peaceful person, and your aura will become an energetic, balanced oasis of serenity and beauty. Honor yourself and strive to keep your aura clear and beautiful. Everything has the potential to feed or harm your auric field. This is why you want to live life consciously. You don't have to be afraid that something will enter your auric field at every turn. Instead, ensure a protected aura by your intention, aura hygiene, and by becoming a most sovereign person. Strive to be as impeccable as you can be with your thoughts. You might not be perfect with this, but you'll get better and better with it every day if this is your intention. We all can only do our best, and our best is perfect in the moment. If the majority of your thoughts are higher-minded, this will be your best defense and offense for remaining protected and clear. Next, take just 1 minute a day to cleanse your field. Soon you'll have it looking like a dusted, sparkling rose. Keeping your auric field clear can help improve not only your 5th sense perception but your 6th intuitive sense perception as well. As an important garment of light, pay attention to your aura just as much as you do your physical body. It's like anything in life. Give it love and it grows and flourishes and is beautiful. Strive to have an auric field that's pure, clear, dynamic, and resplendent. Whether you're a seasoned spiritual seeker or just beginning your journey, this enlightening series will inspire, uplift, and guide you toward a life of purpose and fulfillment. Subscribe now and embark on a path of spiritual growth and enlightenment.